Hi, Darryl Rooney, Senior Director of Financial Services, St. Mary's University. We're the second largest university in the province of Nova Scotia. It's a very inviting place to visit, and it's very welcoming and a very home-centered experience, but also a very solid educational opportunity. I'm responsible for all financial reporting and analysis, regulatory reporting for the governments for anything financial in nature, and I oversee also risk management. 1,900 funds across 230 departments, 1,500 accounts, and 1,300 programs. So the amount of potential data point combinations are enormous. And so some of the unique challenges that we face is being able to respond quickly to financial situations. If there's an unusual enrollment drop for whatever reason, we need to be able to quickly understand the impact to our organization. We've been a Vena client since 2014, and we have got so much out of bringing the Vena consultants on site for a dedicated time, and we believe that's actually a reason we've been able to move the product forward in our organization through those sessions. One of the things that I think has been such a positive experience for St. Mary's and Vena is Vena's continued investment in the product. They're not giving me a product that they think is better, they're actually listening to their customers and bringing forward solutions that their customers say that they are looking for, and so we're excited to be part of that. Vena has transformed St. Mary's University in terms of what we have been able to provide to the university community and to our own team. We had a vision for what we wanted to do, and Vena gave us the tools to do that.